Ojú olè rè kò ń gbà, olè rè kò ojú olè rè ojú olè rè kò ń gbà. Olójú wo kò olè ní ẹ, ó máa kú sẹ́wọ̀n ni. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you come across this video. As it dey hot, you people will be seeing a video that is circulating online right now about a girl that dey for Arabu house and go steal. We dey shout say if you carry girl enter, tell them say no steal for Arabu, no steal Arabu money, no steal Arabu anything. But now see wetin the girl steal, you go see am for this shey dey see am. See wetin the girl steal for Arabu house. Dollar dey inside, dinar roughly like maybe 4,000 plus, and also like $200 as I'm seeing the video. Gold dey inside, ring dey inside. Why? And you wey be say he give you the money, say I see this money for Arabu house, and you get mind, you help am keep the money for hand. You no fit advise am say the thing wey he dey do e go still backfire. Now e don backfire now. Na you go face am. Now if they wan talk, say they go say Arabu dey too do, Arabu dey too. Why you Nigeria go? Why you go steal? Why you dey go work go steal? Why you go steal someone property? You dey collect your salary. You dey stay for that for the place, and you still dey steal. Go steal their money, go steal their gold chain. Why? If we dey talk now, they say they too do. Arabu too do. Arabu too do this. Okay, you Nigeria girls. I know say no be everybody. No be every Nigeria girls. No be all Nigeria girls. I know. But you people wey dey carry girls enter, why can't you lecture them? Tell them say this thing yo, if you thief this thing yo, na kpan yo, if you thief this yo. Put fear for their mind. Some people, as they say they don't bring 10 dinar today, they will collect them. 50 dinar tomorrow, they collect them. You go dey happy say your girl they bring money from Arabu. Some people they will see advise them say if you see money if you see on 1,000, remove 500. If you see 500, remove 200. Both of you go face them now. Both you wey be say you collect the money, and the girl wey be say she steal the money. Both of you don dey go. Ilé ajẹ́ kan fún gbogbo kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ gangan náà? Kẹ́ máa jalè ní Arabu yẹn tí ẹ bẹ̀rù ayé yín, ẹ bẹ̀rù life yín rárá. Ẹ bẹ̀rẹ̀ pé ìlú Arabu lẹ wà, ṣẹ̀ríà ló ń bá tò, tó bá mú yín ó lè pa yín, ó lè gé apá yín, ó lè sọ yín di nǹkan tẹ́ fẹ́ tán. Nǹkan tó ń ṣe fún Arabu wọn gan personally, àwọn Arabu wọn nǹkan tó ń ṣe fún ká bá sọ pé foreigners. Why? Òun wò mí àbí ó sì ń wò mí, òun bínú àbí pé mo sọ̀rọ̀ pọ̀ jalè àbí ó ṣé ó lè gan níwọ gan personal, ṣé ó lè níwọ náà ni? Why tó lè gba àwọn tẹ́ bá gbé wọlé, àwọn tó wá sọ̀rọ̀ kẹ́ ká gbàgbà wọn nímú ọ̀rọ̀, ó dẹ̀ tún wò mí àbí kan tí mo sọ̀rọ̀ tún dáa. Ṣé kò dáa? Ẹ̀dọ́ wọn kò wà òkè ṣí ẹ̀ jẹ́ káwọn ọmọ tó ṣì àwọn tọwọ́ tẹ́ pọ̀ ṣì ní máì láti fẹ́ jalè kọ́ rí. Ó ga o, ire o.